everyone, this is Olivia. Welcome to Nerd Chinese with Olivia. No matter you want to make Chinese friends, do business with Chinese people, or just want to travel in China individually, it is necessary for you to learn Chinese somewhat. So Nerd Chinese with Olivia might be a good choice for you. In this lesson, we will make brief introduction of Chinese and then we will learn 6 simple finals. I promise it's gonna be easy and interesting, so let's go! Can you find the differences between these two? It's very clear, right? About this part. And what is it and how does it work? Don't worry, let's set this one as an example. For this one is Chinese character. And for this one is Chinese Pinyin. As officially defined, Pinyin is a tool used in Chinese to represent the pronunciation of the characters. So if we can read Pinyin well, we can get the pronunciation of a lot of Chinese characters, right? And then I'd like to explain Pinyin in detail. For the left part, that is initial. In Chinese, we call it 声母, which plays a similar role as consonant in English. And for the right part, that is final, which plays a similar role as vowels in English, and we call it in Chinese 韵母. And for this one, it is very special, right? We call it 声调, and it's a tone in English. In Chinese Pinyin, there are 4 tones. 1, 2, 3, and 4. That is level, rising, falling, and falling, which indicate the pronunciation of each characters and the way we pronounce it. For the first one, all are flat. So just like the robot. I love China. I love learning Chinese. All are flat. For the second one, rising. So just like the situations in English, we ask people some questions. Yes? Okay? And for the third one, some people think it is very difficult to pronounce it. But if you can pronounce well, in English, well, you can pronounce it well. And for the last one, that is down. Just like the situations, we answer the questions. Yes, fine. So I think it is not so challengeable for you. So let's go on for the 6 simple finals. Look at this chart. Can you have a try to pronounce it? I think it is not so difficult for you because some of them are very similar to the English phonetics. So let's learn of them one by one. So for the first one, open our mouths naturally and then your tongue flat. Ah, ah. And it is very similar like this one, right? So you can find the similarity in this word. Park. Ah, ah. And for the writing of this one, it is very similar to English, right? But if you write like this or like this. It is unacceptable. Let's go on for the next one. Or round your mouth. And it is very similar like this one in English. Or, right? So you can find the similarity in this word. So, or, and it is perfectly similar as English one. So for writing, it is very easy. And for the next one, wide your mouth. So it is very similar like this one. So we can find the similarity in this word. Bird. And for writing, it's unacceptable like this. Easy, right? And for the next one, flat and your tongue pressed against the gingiva. So it is very similar like this one in English. So you can find the similarity in this word. It's very easy, right? But for writing, we need to focus on some point. This and this are incredible. And for the next one, round our mouth just like the shape of O, but is much smaller, protrude into the small hole. So it is very like this one. So you can find the similarity in this word. Room. And for writing, we cannot write like this. Incorrectable. And for the last one, it is very hard for us to look for the suitable one in English phonetics. But how do we do? Please use your imagination at this one. We can regard these two bubbles as these two dots. So it pronounced as ü. The mouth shape is just like ü. Previously, we mentioned 4 tongues, right? So, in principle, we always place the tongue on the final. So we can get ah. And then we can get o. And this one is very special because when we place the tongue on the final of E, we need to move the dot. So it should be E. No dots, right? And then for the next one, U, 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 U. And for the last one, yes, there are 2 dots, but no need to remove any dots. Yu, 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 yu. Let's practice one more time. A, 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 a. O, 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 o. And one point you need to focus is the writing of E. It's not a tough task for you, right? So please don't forget to do the exercise after work. Circle what you heard. Number 1. E. E. Number 2. Yu. Yu. Number 3. O. O. Number 4. Number 5. O. So much for lesson 1. And if you liked my lesson, you can recommend it to your family members and friends. So see you next time. Bye.